My golden copper Christmas tree 4 years, and this year so excited about adding the coordinating garland and wreath to that. Things I love about it, it came already fully assembled. I didn't have to do any work, lights integrated and everything. I just kind of fluffed out. This is the 20-inch on a 24-inch mirror, and I really feel like it fills in the space well. The mattes and the shine and the glimmer of it are really attractive in person. It's that great mix of the golds, the bronzes, the coppers, and I really feel like all of the materials are in nice quality. They look pretty luxurious in person. It was super easy just to lay on top, and the battery pack was also very easy. It does have a timer function built in, which is my favorite part. 6 hours on, 12 hours off, so it'll automatically turn on and off both the wreath and the garland. And this can go indoors or outdoors, just don't submerge your battery pack in water. I did have to use my own 3 AA batteries, and it does come with integrated really heavy duty wire loops on both ends if you would choose to hang it and not put it on the mantle. But overall, I would say it's quite pretty in person. It really was so easy to take out of the box, floof and go, and love the complete look with the wreath with a wire hanger and this on the garland and the mantle. Hope that helps.